Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the fog light bulb right over there. The way to access it from underneath the car, same process on both the sides, exact same process. I'm just going to show you on the right side over here, the passenger side. You will need a 10mm wrench or a 10mm socket ratchet combination like this and a flathead screwdriver. So that's the light. Go underneath there. That's the first 10mm bolt. You gotta take off, start twisting it left and get it out completely. Keep it somewhere safe. And then on the other end over there, that's where the second one is. Yep, that one. Let's get that off as well. Now get the screwdriver and we have to get that clip off. So get the center part of the clip out. Just pry it out. Not all the way, just pry it out like this. Once this is out, get the outer part of the clip. Pry that off as well. Yeah, that's good enough. Once it's loose like this, you can just grab onto the clip with your fingers and just pull it off completely. And there you go, it's off. Now you can pull this access cover down and you can get my hand all the way in there. Let's look at it from a different angle. There's the bulb. I can get my hand in there, and once you're inside over there, that is the bulb right over there. So just twist it left to loosen it. You may have to sort of move this wire around a little bit if it's in the way, but just twist it left and that's it. Now it's loose. It's simple as that. And now just grab the bulb and the electrical connector and just get it out of the housing, and here it is. And this wire is long enough that you can sort of get it out all the way and then just work on it. Press down on the electrical connector there, hold on to the bulb and just pull the bulb off. And that's it. It's off. The bulb size is H11, says it right there on it. H11, that's what you need to get. So now get the new bulb, and first let's just put the bulb back in the housing. So get the bulb in there, get it in the housing, and now you may have to spend a few seconds sort of twisting and turning it before it sits in place. When it sits in place, that orange seal will just sort of drop in there. Right now it's not. See, okay, now it's good. Now it's good. It's in there. Just twist it right now to lock it in place. And now get the electrical connector and put it on. It only goes on in one way. And simply push it to lock it in place. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now it's not going anywhere. That's looking good. Let's put the access cover back in its place. That's the way it should look like when it's back in. First get that plastic clip, and the middle part of the clip should be pulled out, or preferably just pull it out completely. And then just get the outer part of the clip and put it back in its place. Make sure those two holes over there are aligned. Push the clip through it. Now get the middle part of the clip in there. Push it, and that's it. Now it's locked. Get the one bolt in there and just hand tighten it a couple turns first. Do the same for the other one. And now just get the socket ratchet combination, other wrench, and tighten them both down all the way. And we've tightened that one bolt, that clip over there, and that bolt. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.